Guess what I got? Today we're going to be unboxing. I just put on my vision board, and I know you may or may not believe in vision boards. I've been wanting this watch since I started researching different things for running. I realized that my Apple Watch kept dying. I came to realize that it's actually not that good of a watch unless you have the super crazy expensive one. I found out that the girlies are using Garmin, so let me unbox it with you. It came yesterday and I still haven't unboxed it because I wanted to do it with you. So here we go. So first impressions, it's a very light box. It's not super heavy. So the one that I got is the Vivo Active 5. Honestly, I don't know about the watches, so I wouldn't even know which one is the best. All I need it for is to track my workouts and for it to last through my half marathons. So if you're asking me what that watch actually has, I wouldn't even know what to tell you. I just know I wanted a white watch and a Garmin. This is honestly one of the most affordable ones. If you didn't know, Garmin comes in so many different styles. There's chunkier, there's skinnier ones, there's $1,000 ones, and I'm like, I have a few gift cards. I think I'm gonna stick to under 300, okay? So it comes with this watch charger. I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer the Apple charger that you can just lay it flat. I'll have to look at it because I don't know if I love that. Here's what it looks like. Super cute. I did get the white one. Okay, I already see a problem. Oh no, I already see the freaking problem, and that is my nails. I'm so depressed. My little bow fell off of my nail trying to open my Garmin. This is what it looks like. This would be the charger right here. Okay, yeah. That's how the charger would go. Apparently the charging life battery is insane, so we'll see. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It is super cute. It's very light. It's not lighter or heavier than the Apple. It feels like, yeah, it's pretty similar. So let's see what we have to do. First things first, get the app. Okay. And once we do that, it's telling us to hold this for 3 seconds. So we're holding this one for 3 seconds. How cute is that? So cute. You know what though? I'm literally recording with my phone. This is my extra phone. I feel like I should be recording with this. Let me come back. We did switch phones, so the quality of me showing this might not be the same, and that's okay. I think I'm excited because I want to see my actual speeds during my runs, and I just kind of go by what Strava says. And what I've came to realize is that I would love to know like the exact distance, the exact time, just so I can improve. Let's keep going. Pair. Cool, so you get to scan with the camera. Okay, so that brings me to the Connect app. So I need to create an account. Yay, it's going. Allow. Okay, so next, set up your profile picture. Sure, let's just do it for now. Share your profile. Yeah, I don't know like the privacy aspect yet, so I don't know. Okay. So now you put your info, like it says what's your gender, female, how tall are you, I'm 5'5", your weight, birthday. When do you typically sleep? So depends. Let's just say 10 to 6. I will wear it on my left. Send your recent training data to your new device. Yes. Your goals are set. So let's see. Step per days. My initial goal, this is like their auto. My initial goal is set to 7,500. We'll see if that's accurate, if I can. Without counting, we'll see what happens. 9 cups a day, I'm supposed to do it, and 150 minutes per week of workout. Sure, allow full access, allow location, and now you just continue agreeing, basically. All set, finish. Navigating your Vivo Active 5 is easy once you get the basics. Okay, let's put it on. This is gonna be rough. I need my little Apple buttons. Ugh, I don't know if I like this. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so it says navigating your Vivo Active 5 is once you easy. Swipe up and down to scroll, navigating, tap to glance more details, swipe right to return to screen. I just don't know how to figure the Wi-Fi out. I'll do it later. Oh, how fun. And then I just press this. Cool. I'm gonna have to play with it. My main goal to have it for my run, and I'm gonna go run for like 2 miles just to play with it. I have a leg day too. I don't know, I'm excited to use it. I'll keep you posted. You're gonna have to come back in about a month and I'll tell you my actual review of what I think about it. I already hate that it broke my little bow off. Didn't even get to make it the full month. That's it. And if you have any tutorials, I would love to dive into them. Once I'm like a pro, then I'll tell you how it actually went. P.S. I have a few runs coming up. Chocolate run on Sunday, Las Vegas rock and roll in February, Livermore half in March. I don't have anything in April. May, Bay Bridge half, June, San Jose half. I'm excited to put it to the test and I will keep you posted on how I love it. All right, bye.